Welcome. For the next 5 minutes, this space is just for you. Let's release anxiety together. Gently close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in through your nose.
And as you exhale through your mouth, let your shoulders drop and your body soften.
Let your jaw relax, your hands rest gently on your legs, and allow yourself to settle.
Bring your attention to your breath. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest.
Just imagine each thought drifting by like a small cloud in the sky, and return to your breath. If your mind feels busy, that's okay. You don't need to stop your thoughts.
Now take a slow breath in and exhale a little longer than you inhaled.
This longer exhale tells your body that you are safe, and it's okay to relax. Again, breathe in slowly through your nose and release with a soft, steady exhale. Now imagine a warm, calming light, gently glowing just above. With each breath, this light slowly flows down, relaxing your forehead and your eyes. Feel the light soften your jaw, your neck, and your shoulders, releasing all that tension.
Let it move down through your chest and your stomach, bringing ease with every breath.
The calming light now flows through your legs, all the way to your feet, grounding you. Now, imagine any anxiety in your body as a small, tight knot inside your chest or stomach. You don't have to fear it. Just notice it, gently, the way you'd notice a passing feeling. With every slow exhale, imagine that knot loosening, softening, and beginning to unwind. Watch the anxiety melt away, turning into light that gently fades into the space around you.
You are safe. You are supported. In this moment, you are allowed to relax.
Silently repeat after me. I am calm. Silently repeat after me. I am calm.
Repeat. I am grounded. And I am in control of my breath.
Let these words sink into your body, like seeds of peace planted in your mind.
For a few moments, simply rest here, breathing slowly and enjoying this calm. Now bring gentle awareness back to your body, feeling where you are sitting. Begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes, lightly waking up your body. Gently roll your shoulders, maybe take a soft stretch if that feels good. Take one more deep breath in and a slow, complete exhale out. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and return to the present moment. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and return to the present moment. Notice how you feel now, even if the change is small. You showed up for yourself. Thank you for taking these minutes to calm your mind. You can return to this anytime.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button for more life-saving health secrets.